What's up, you guys? Welcome back to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about my current favorites, products that I've been loving. It is a slew of things that you can pick up at the drugstore, Sephora, or Ulta. I have skincare, body care, hair care, and makeup. So I have a nice little mixture of a bunch of things to talk to you guys about today. We're going to go ahead, we're going to get into this. I am ready to talk to you guys about these products, and let's get started. I have one product to share with you guys for hair care, and it is the Detox Gentle Sensitive Scalp Dry Shampoo. Dry shampoo tends to make my scalp very itchy. I ended up just giving up on my dry shampoo and decided that I was not going to do it. I was just going to allow my hair to be oily, and I'll work with my natural oils as best as I can. Here recently, I was at Ulta and I was scanning through the aisles in the hair care, but I was actually looking for something else. And I happened to come across Dry Bar, and they had this, and it was for sensitive scalp. I don't use this every day on my scalp, but I just use it on the days that I need a little bit more of a refresh. You guys, if you have a sensitive scalp or you've been wanting to try something that's not gonna make your head itch, give this a shot. I guess I have two hair care products because I thought I only had one, but I don't know, maybe I thought this was lotion. It has like the lotion bottle type. So anyways, this is the Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate. It is a leave-in conditioner. You are supposed to use this in the shower. Before you get out of the shower, you put this in your hair while your hair is damp, and I work it into my hand, and then I put it in my hair while it's damp, and then I kind of like wring it out. This leaves my hair so soft. My ends feel so good. It's a game changer, you guys, and you don't need a lot. I had this in my hair today. I just put it in my hair. This is freshly washed hair, and it just makes my ends feel so smooth, so soft, and it looks like I don't hardly have any split ends, and I have a lot. My skincare regimen, there it is very simple. I try not to put a lot of products on my skin. I also do have acne prone skin, so I try not to change up my skincare products a whole lot. But with eye creams, I love testing out eye creams. So I got this. This is the Glow Recipe Bright Eye Gel Cream. I actually thought I wouldn't like it because it's very lightweight, and I like a very thick eye cream, but this one feels so good on the eyes. I can use it day and night. It's got a little bit of a pink tint, just like this. It's like a soft baby pink tint. And you just need a little bit, and you just apply it, and it leaves the eyes, like the eye area, so soft, so smooth. It has a nice little scent, not overpowering or anything. Really good eye cream. I've really been enjoying this, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. I have a few exciting body care items because one of them, I have been waiting and waiting and waiting to get this darn product, and it's finally here. I finally got my hands on it, and it is the Copacabana Bronze Glow Oil from Sol de Janeiro. I'm telling you, I keep putting my email, like email me when it's in stock and stuff, and every time I go, when it notifies me, I'm always too late. The beauty gods came and said, you finally get to have this, and I finally got this. I like it. I'm gonna show you guys. So you just need a little bit because, let me tell you, the first time I used it, I put a lot. It gives a little bit of color to the skin, and it just makes you look so illuminated. It's amazing. I used it at the Taylor Swift concert so that my legs glowed, and it's just so beautiful. I also do pair it with this. It's the Rio Radiance Cream from Sol de Janeiro also. Has a little bit of a tint. It has a pretty strong smell, but I actually mixed this here recently with a little bit of this, and it works. They work together really nicely. Almost reminds me of the Jergens. Do you remember the Jergens? Like, it's like a natural, gradual self-tanner kind of a thing. Gives me a little bit, like, reminds me a little bit of this, even though this isn't gonna gradually tan you. It has just that hint of shade to it, and it just gives a little bit of a glow. That's what this reminds me of, except the smell. It smells divine. So I have right now my eye, which is like this very bronzy all over wash, is by Almay, and this is the Almay Velvet Foil Cream Shadow. It reminds me a little bit like the MAC Paint Pots. It has that same texture, but here it is. It's a little like a gold shimmer, and you just take a little bit and you rub that on your eye and just like an all over sweep, and it gives the most light, natural, bronzy lids. Usually I stroll right past the Almay section, but this little guy has actually made me want to stop a little bit more and take a look at the Almay products, because I'm like, wait, what have I been missing from Almay? Because this is a gem right here. So to pair that in my waterline, I also have been using the Hard Candy Eye Definition Whiteout. This is just an eyeshadow marker. It is very similar to the NYX Jumbo pencils. I actually feel like this will last a little bit longer, but if you can't get your hands on the NYX Jumbo pencil, Hard Candy makes one that's very much similar, and I've actually just been diving to this also because it's retractable as well. They make matte and they make like a shimmer, but if you're looking for it, it's right here. I have two lip products that I've really been into here recently. I had to go to the car to go grab them because they're always with me. The first one I have is the NYX Fat Lip Oil. This is in the shade Supermodel. It is this rosy pink shimmery lip oil, very clean, very simple. Daughter has the Dior one, and I feel like they are essentially the same thing. That's how, personally, I think you can go with this one instead of Dior. But if I ever want to add just a little bit of color, I go to this, and this is the Luxe Lip Oil in the shade Bengal by Colourpop, and this one is a matte shade, and this has a little bit more tint. This is like my lips, but better. For primer, not a new product, but it has been saving my skin and saving my makeup from this like heat blast that we had. I wore this again to the Taylor Swift concert, and this just kind of held everything in place, and it's the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. You gotta get this. This stuff is golden for the summer months. You guys might have seen me use some of these products before because I feel like I've been using them a lot. So I have been mixing foundations and concealers with the Smashbox Halo Healthy All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. It has taken some time for me to become a tinted moisturizer girl, and I think I'm getting there. Like, it looks like it works pretty perfect for me right now, but I feel as though it oxidizes and I get this like beautiful dark line under my chin. For right now, when you want something lightweight, this has been working really nicely. For not concealer, well, let's talk about concealer because I do have it right here. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. This is really good. I use the shade Medium 90 Warm. Very clean. I can apply it on my skin. I apply it under my eyes. It looks very natural, holds up throughout the day. I have no complaints. This has become my new favorite. Blends like a freaking dream. And it's kind of dark, so I kind of like it because it's almost like I don't need to apply anything on top of it. Like, it's just great, like an all over glow. It's beautiful. You don't have to rush to apply it. I was filming a TikTok actually right now, and I was like trying to like redo the video because I was hating what I was saying, and it still blended out even though I had spent some time like letting it sit on my skin. Works so freaking good. I definitely recommend it. The last product I'm just gonna talk about is mascara because I've officially finished using it. I'm gonna throw it away, but I loved it so much, so I wanna talk about it. This is the Salute to the Sun Uoma mascara. It is a very big, fluffy mascara. The wand reminds me so much of the Dior Show mascara. And it's what I was wearing today. Gives my like lashes this like voom to it. It's a little like in between dry and creamy. So it gives me that right texture I need. And I have been obsessed with this mascara. So that is my winner. So those are the products that I've been loving. A lot of really summery, fun products that are gonna help you get through the summer. A lot of lighter products on the skin. You guys have probably noticed that is what I've been really into, but I hope you guys enjoyed the products that I shared with you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye.